what's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another unboxing and review video, and this is going to be for some earbuds that stick in your ear canals that are absolutely fantastic. I personally think they're a lot better. I've reviewed some other type ones. We're going to review these, see how they are, but I personally think they're a lot better than Apple Airpods, Airbuds, whatever you pronounce them. Anyway, let's go ahead and get on into it. These are wireless headphones, slim cabinet design for musical long playing. And these are great for joggers, for CrossFitters. If you're in the gym and you're wondering what this is the unbox at Butterfly Knife. These do not fall out, which is absolutely fantastic. I've heard of too many people on airplanes. Their Apple ones fall out. These ones jam the ear canal, a lot more streamlined. And before we do open up the box, let me give you a couple specs here. We're looking at an 8mm speaker. Speaker impedance is 32 omega symbol. Speaker sensitivity is 105 dB. Headset charging port is magnetic charging contact. I'll explain that and show it to you. Headset communication distance is 10 meters, about 30 feet. Single ear talk time, 2 hours. Music playback time, 2 hours. Single ear standby time, 12 hours. So they're going to be perfect for the gym. When you set them back in the holder, they're going to recharge. Let me get to that and explain what that looks like. Okay, let's open this bad boy on up and see what we got. Ladies and gents, very cool. A little, not really a cube, how would you pronounce that? Like a snow globe, a snow dome? That's actually very small. Let me just kind of put a wedding ring in regards to how big it is. Pretty small. That's actually really cool. And we have our earbuds right here. USB right here, on and off button right on top here. And let's get back to that in just a second. But otherwise, we just have a micro USB cable here. And then underneath here, we have a nice cloth bag where you can set the whole entire thing in, or just, you guys get the idea, drawstring. And then we have some more ear canal tips here, 2 sets, and our instruction and warranty card there. Fantastic, folks. Let me show you exactly what that magnetic recharging port is. So the first thing you do is you take them out, and we have some plastic right along here. That's to protect the charging point prongs, so remove that right there. Now what's going to happen is, see that the bottom of these are actually, see, it's actually trying to pair here, but we'll get to that in a little bit. So these just latch right in like this and like this. So there's actually some plastic here and here we're going to get rid of. So now, hey, how cool is that? Little blue AD light. So now those aren't coming out right there. They're magnetically connected to the charging point right here and again right there on the tip. Just shoves right into play like that, right? So these are actually charging right now. Then you just go ahead and clip that back into play. That's actually pretty cool. I definitely dig that. Okay, so the charging case right here, and that's how you recharge the actual case, is plug it in the micro USB cable. This case has a 400 milliamp battery inside the case. It will charge your earphones 3 times, and then you'll have to recharge the battery of the case. So again, right now, these are charging right here. And now these red lights might mean they're charging, I'm not exactly sure, but the blue light for sure is. So that is absolutely fantastic, where you can charge your earbuds inside this little case, and then obviously becomes a protective case. That is so cool. So these stickers are actually meaning they're not for touch buttons off and on. It actually twists and opens up like this. So let's look at the buds a little bit more closely here. Again, this shoves directly into your ear canal here. We have nothing really here except for that LED light we already saw. On the back here, just our prongs. And then we again have 3 total sets of ear canal tips here. The other one is pretty much the same thing. Follow the directions for your phone to pair them up. All right, guys, this is what they look like inside the ears, in the ear canal. Absolutely fantastic. And not to mention, wonderful for the subway, for the plane, because it goes in your ear canal and it's not really bulky like the big bows over the ear. You can actually sleep without it really pushing into your ear, because it's going in the ear canal and it's blocking out the noise isolation. Absolutely fantastic. It definitely has some cool features. Now, the little panel right here is actually touch sensitive. So if I'm playing music at the gym, you tap the left one time, it will actually pause your music, tap it again, and when I'm talking about tap, you just tap right on the main body of the earphone right here. And it also, if you want to skip to the next song, you hold it down for 2 seconds. You hold it down for over 3 seconds, it will turn the earbuds off. You can also take calls, you can reject calls, or you can actually hang up. So you can answer the call. So answering, if they do call in while you're working out at the gym, you would hit it like you would to pause it or play it, and then end the call. It's really cool. So let's say you're in the middle of a jog, you would literally go, hello, hey, what's up? Awesome. When you do pair them, it says pairing, and then you turn on the right one, same thing. You touch that, it'll go ahead and come on. It'll say pairing on, and then it'll say left channel, right channel. And so it's definitely sweet. It'll tell you which ones are which. Guys, these are phenomenal earbuds, and I highly recommend them. Touch sensitive, you can't get away from that, huh? How about that? Looking really sharp, folks. And again, guys, look in the description box below the video. I'm gonna have the link for this exact same product. You guys in the UK, I got you guys linked as well. You guys have an awesome day. I will see you on the next review. My name's Chris. Bye-bye.